Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my world. It's part 2 of my Comic-Con cosplay get ready with me's. Today's victim is A-Train. If you don't already know, I met him recently. Very sweet man. But yeah. So that's who I was gonna be anyway, but then I met him and I was like, dude, like, I'm gonna be you. And he was like, that's so cool. So like, I'm extra hyped now. So yeah. But for this look, it's honestly gonna be like how I look on the daily, but like more glam. Because he is a man, I'm going to be making it, my nails gonna be kind of like natural, but like glossy. So I don't think I'm gonna do blush, because I feel like if character was a woman, he wouldn't wear blush. So we're just gonna look very bronze, very snatched. So we're just gonna gel down my eyebrows. And I just did my wig because tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I was gonna wear this wig anyway. But looks good. Just giving scalp. Okay, let's prime. Using the same primer from my other videos. Basically, the base is always gonna be the same because I'm not switching it up, because why would I? So I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Not too much. And I already put moisturizer, so yeah. And I always moisturize and then I prime, because I think my makeup just sits better. And then like, that's how I learned it from the TikTok girlies, because everything I know I learned from TikTok. From how to do my hair to how I do my makeup, TikTok has influenced me greatly. If you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, because I was posting yesterday my Fiona cosplays and the girls were eating it up. So we're kind of on a roll. But I already said I'm back in my cosplay era because I've been vacant, been silent for a few months now. I haven't done like a big cosplay, so like going to Comic-Con is like big for me because number one, it's gonna be my 3rd year going to Comic-Con, and it's my first time going all 3 days. So like I'm gonna keep repeating it. I'm going all 3 days because it's a big deal. I'm going all 3 days. So yeah. So we primed. Whoa, I primed. Now we're gonna fill in these brows. And if you didn't already watch the other video for my get ready with me for my Fiona cosplay, you know her. She's my friend. She's my best friend. This is Juvias place, and we're using this palette for everything. My eyebrows, my blush, not my concealer, my contour. She's the truth. So actually, let me do this first. I like to conceal first, because it's gonna sit for a hot minute, so it can like, I don't know. The girls from TikTok told me to let it dry for a second, so that's why I let my concealer dry. So while I do that, I do my eyebrows, but let me spread it out first. We're just gonna conceal and not feel all the dark spots underneath my eyes because I worked today and I'm tired. Scary. Okay, so now we're gonna fill in my eyebrows. I use like this blackish brown color because I feel like if you use black, it's just gonna look like black. I want it to be kind of subtle, so I use that color. And I kind of just shape them. I just lightly fill them in. Yeah. See how you can see this one and you can't really see this one? Because it's filled in. I just take my finger. I just kind of blended the front part out. Now we're gonna blend out the concealer and then we can put foundation. Less tired. Okay. And then, if you want to know what products it is, you should have watched the first video because I had to explain what the first video, the product for you is the same products, okay? So we're just going in with my foundation. You know, not too much, not too much. Okay, and should I even consider the outer part of my brows? Yes, sure. I'm just gonna do the edges a little bit. Not really fun. Just a little bit. Very lovely. Looks a little bit more cleaner. Look how sharp that is. Yeah. Just blend it out a little bit so it's not so harsh. Okay, so now we're gonna contour my nose with the same Juvias palette because we're not switching up anything. I'm just gonna give myself a little cute little button nose. And I just really make like a triangle right here so my nose really looks like snatched. You feel me? Okay, so now we're gonna bake and really snatch the nose here. This is probably like one of my favorite parts of makeup. I don't know why, but the powder just makes me feel like, yeah, I'm eating. Because it really just like makes everything come together, in my opinion. Just a little bit on the chin, not too much, because then it'll look like I have a white beard. So while that sits for a second, we're gonna go in with the contour. And it looks wild right now, but once I take off the powder, it'll look better. Okay, this side's a little harsh, you guys. Okay, let's take it off so this part's not as bad, because this looks better. Okay, so now, because we're not using blush, let's go in and should I put blue in my inner corners? Yes. Use this Morphe X Abby Roberts palette that I don't really like. There's this blue right here, but I don't know. Let me put it on my finger and see if I like it. It's gonna have to do. Okay. A little blue moment. I feel like I'm about to go crazy with the blush. I need to find something to use for highlight. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Don't counsel me, but I have a Jeffree Star palette, and the highlighters are really good. I haven't used it in a while because I haven't used gold highlighter in a while. I've been using the same pink highlighter forever. So we're just gonna go back to what we knew. I hate this brush. But we don't have a choice. Hopefully it doesn't look harsh because I hate this brush. So let me. It's giving me flashback to how I used to use this brush. I hate this brush. But I don't want the brush to use, and I have no other way to pick up this highlighter. So it doesn't blow me. Anyways, let's line my lips. Use this one. This is the NYX espresso liner. I got all new liners, so I think it's my first time putting this one on. But I'm going for like a nude look, a little dark, and it just kind of gets lighter towards the middle, you know. I think I'm gonna go over the top of the liner with a dark eyeshadow because it's just not eating for me. This looks a little bit more how I want it to look. Okay, so now we're gonna pop out with the Morphe Drip Glass and Drenched Lip Gloss, and then I'm gonna go in the over it with like some cute little sparkle lip gloss. I like it. I think I look like a baddie. What else do I need? I feel naked because I have no blush on, but I feel like we don't need blush for this one, even though I do love me a good blush moment. I think I'm just gonna set it and then put on my cosplay. Okay, so I put my cosplay on, so you get the full effect of how I'm looking. With the makeup and everything, super cute. A-Train's a baddie. I'm excited. So if you like this video, want to see more videos like this and see more of me, and you want to see that Comic-Con vlog, follow. Let's subscribe to the channel so you can see more like this. Subscribe to my TikTok. Follow me on Instagram so you can see more like this. Okay? Bye.